Welcome to Bookworm, kids, little friends. Look at this magical book. No more piglets pooping in the pond. Meet Pinky, Bouncy, Sparky, Sunny, and Twirly in their messy adventure. Oh my, Pinky's up to something. Pinky waddled to wash in the stream, met Hoppy Frog, big-eyed, and joined the clean team. No more piglets pooping in the pond! Wow, Bouncy's splashing in. Bouncy trotted to scrub with a sponge, met Hoppy Frog again and took the clean plunge. No more piglets pooping in the pond. Time to tidy, Sparky. Sparky swept the shore with care, met Tumble's turtle, and littered no more. No more piglets pooping in the pond. Hooray, Sunny's planting. Sunny dashed to plant a tree, met Quacky Duck, Red Beak, who quacked, quack, quack, pond free. No more piglets pooping in the pond. Twirly's making it shine. Twirly cleaned with a playful grin, joined Pinky, Bouncy, Sparky, Sunny, splashing in. No more piglets pooping in the pond. The pond sparkles, so clear and bright. Pinky, Bouncy, Sparky, Sunny, and Twirly play gently with Hoppy, Tumbles, and Quacky from morn till night. They cleaned with stream, sponge, shore, and tree, keeping it perfect for you and me. Come back to read with us again, Bookworm kids.